Yesterday, gold has created a bearish candle. It started the week with a bearish candle formed here at 265.3.45. It was a support level. We can see that on the Friday the price has created a larger wick on the lower side than it is on the upper side, and on the Monday yesterday the price tried to move higher. We can see that here with this wick, but then the price going down, making a bearish breakout below this support level and this demand zone, where the price continued to fall down even more and reach this area of the small support and resistance confluence at 2628.57, and then the price tried to move even more down to the first support below this one, 2618.75. It was a bearish candle, we can see that, and what we can expect today. For my side, it is expected that the price will continue to fall down even more, reaching this area where this support and confluence of support and resistance is around 2622.11. This is a demand zone, and from there we will see what happens. But before that happens, on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, there are small support levels that needs to be broken in order to continue to fall down even more. Right now the price is at that support level 2636, because we can see this wick on this candle has reached that price level, and we can see the yesterday candle has closed at this price level. So the price needs to make a bearish breakout below on the lower time frame, like 1-hour time frame, in order to continue to fall down even more, and then reaching this area of demand zone. We can see if I stretch this one, just a minute, if I stretch this one here, it will be a confluence of support where we have a horizontal support and this trend line, which is the uptrend trend line, acting now as a support also. This will be a higher demand zone where the buys are waiting, and also the selling pressure that have started here at this supply zone, this resistance area, will melt down for sure, and then the price will try to move higher. Until then, we'll see how the price behaves around this area of small support and resistance levels and continue to fall down, or making a bullish breakout, reaching again the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and from there also the price could bounce back down. But for now, I am expecting the price will reach an area around the demand zone here, where this horizontal support is to 618.75. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!